Hi girls, this is the video in preparation for the assessment that you're going to sit in week 4. First, a few details about the assessment. It's only worth 1.125% of your semester grade. We will do a few of these assessments over the year and they'll add up gradually. It's 15 minutes long, it's worth 5 marks and it's in week 4. This task is called How Many Ways Can You Make 50? And it's very similar to the task that you'll do in week 4. The goal of the task is to use the digits 1 to 9 and the 4 operations plus, minus, times and divide to make the number 50. Now you can use the numbers in any order and the operations in any order to make the number 50, and the goal is to make as many different varieties as you can. So for example, we could do 4 times 5 equals 20. We could do 20 times 2 equals 40, and then 40 plus 5 equals 45. 45 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 equals 50. Or we could do 5 times 5 times 2 equals 50 as well. Okay, a couple of rules. You don't have to use all the digits. So that means you don't have to use 1 to 9 in the number sentence. You don't have to use all the operations. So you don't have to use plus, times, minus, divide in the number sentence. Your answer must start with single digits. What does that mean? It means you need to start with something like 4 times 5, but not 45. So the first numbers must be 1 to 9. And then how will we score this? How do you get 5 marks? Your score will increase with the number of interesting ways you answer the question. Good luck!